I'm Joyce.
I'm Yulia.
I'm Shia.
Today we're going to talk about sustainable cities and communities. Have you ever thought about why the environment we live in keeps changing like this? The city we live in, its environment, economy, security, or what else? All of these are vital to us as human beings, and it's important for all of us to work together to both improve and protect our cities. So, what is the sustainable cities and communities? According to the United Nations, the sustainable cities and communities can be defined as a city and countryside that balances economic, social, and environmental needs, and is inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Today, we're focused on the environmental part. First, we're going to introduce carbon footprint labels. Next, we will take a look at ways that we can help keep low emissions. Last, we're going to talk about the relationship between economic and sustainable cities.
First, we are going to talk about carbon footprint level. This is a carbon footprint level, also known as a footprint level or carbon level. It is a form of leveling that provides the information on the environmental impact of a product or service. The label displays the amount of carbon dioxide emissions that were generated during the production, transportation, and also the disposal of items. Take this famous drink for example. We can find this basically in every supermarket. On the back of its package, there is the pattern of green food. Do you see this number? It represents the total emission from the beginning of the product's production all the way to it reaching the supermarket shelf. For the footprint level, a company must first calculate the carbon footprint of each of its product or service. Once all the data is collected, it can be used to create a label that displays the total emissions of carbon dioxide. Today, footprint level can be found on a wide range of products, including food, clothing, and electronics. The labels are designed to help customers make informed purchasing decisions by providing transparency on the environmental impact of their choices. With the help of footprint labels, customers can identify products that have lower carbon footprint and choose alternatives that are more environmental friendly. By doing so, each of us can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote more sustainable production and consumption practice. This is something that both you and I can do.
Now, I'm going to talk about how to keep low emissions. There are 4 ways we can do so. The first is by improving and expanding public transportation, such as light rail, bus system, and subway, so that citizens can conveniently use this transportation and it can reduce carbon emissions and the pollutants to the environment. Secondly, by promoting sustainable energy. Cities need to promote the use of new energy, such as solar and wind energy, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Next, cities should better encourage citizens to sort and recycle waste, to reduce waste emissions while promoting the recycling of resources. Last but not least, cities should put more effort into building green buildings. Green buildings not only increase the value of the buildings, but also boost local economies, which is another good reason to create a sustainable cities. Combining the above method, it is a great start for us to create a sustainable cities. The earth has given us so much. Now it is our responsibility to us to protect it all.
Most people may think that sustainable cities are economically costly for countries, cities, and communities, but they are actually economically beneficial. When a city has good resilience when faced with natural disasters, it can effectively avoid some dangers and reduce the loss of the city, and this has led to economically growth. The French city of Grenoble won the 2022 European Green Capital and won a Continuable Mobility Plan award. They use energy-saving building materials and engineering methods, installed solar power panels in a building of 900 houses. This action took them a step further towards achieving the goal of building sustainable cities, which also impact positively in the country's economy, especially in areas of renewable energy consumption, with limited impact on carbon emissions, also promoting technological advancements in the infrastructure. The green space and transportation provided by sustainable cities improve the quality of life there. In turn, thus retaining talents and achieving economic benefits for the city. The main task of sustainable cities is to use energy and water resources more efficiently, which can greatly save on living costs while at the same time reducing the pollution to the environment. Sustainable cities are better able to attract and retain talented workers, entrepreneurs, and investors. In today's globalized economy, businesses and individuals have more choices than ever before about where to locate. Sustainable cities that offer a high quality of life, efficient transportation systems, and a clean environment are more likely to attract and retain the best and brightest.
The development of sustainable cities is an important issue for humanity. We hope that from today's presentation, you now better understand the importance of sustainable cities. Jane Goodall, an anthropologist, has said, "Only if we understand can we care. Only if we care can we help. Only if we help shall all be safe." If everyone is willing to take little action to make this planet grow sustainably, our global village will become a comfortable place for everyone to live. So this is our presentation.
I'm Joyce.
I'm Yulia.
I'm Sheila.
Thank you, everyone.